So on physics numerical question, that is very important question. Okay. So it takes 16 minutes to boil some water in an electric kettle. Due to some defect, it becomes necessary to remove 10% tons of the heating coil of the kettle. After repairs, how much time will it take to boil the same mass of water? Okay. So question पिला माने कोन अछि देखो कारण 16 मिनिट होची कोन समय नउची किछि वाटर गरम करिया पे हला किछि वाटर गरम करिया पे हम केते समय लागुची ना 16 मिनिट लागुची किछि डिफेक्ट बाहरची इलेक्ट्रिक केटल ले ता दरे हमें 10% कोन करछु टर्न ऑफ हीटिंग कॉइल टाको हमें 10% कॉइल टाको हमें रिमूव कर दोछु तापर हमें रिपेयर करछु रिपेयर कला पर से पचाछु से सेम वाटर पई सेम मास ऑफ वाटर दिछि सेम वाटर पई केते समय लागिबो हमें कैलकुलेट करिबा ठीक अछि तो फर्स्ट वन इज 17.7 मिनिट 14.4 मिनिट 20.9 मिनिट 13.7 मिनिट तो चारिटा ऑप्शन भीतर को ऑप्शन रे करेक्ट हबो हमें बाछिबा ठीक अछि तो फिलहाल दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपोर्टेंट फॉर JEE medical any competitive exams okay so we know that H is equal to H for heat. We know that it is equal to V square T by R. Use this formula. So the heat is equal to V square T by R. Okay. H for heat, V is the potential, T is the time, R for resistance. So case 1, the first case, the heat one H1 equal to how much? That is potential is constant, time is vary, our resistance is also constant. Let be equation 1. Okay. Now case 2. Case 2, on removing 10% turns resistance of the water coil becomes how much? Okay. So एटी कोन अछि देखो जदि सेटा 10% हमें कॉइल रिमूव करछु तो वर्तमान कॉइल केते हे जिवो 90 डिवाइड बाय 100 r एति के जिवो सो बट सेकंड कंडीशन हमें हीट केते हबो पहिले v स्क्वायर t2 डिवाइड बाय r केते r टा इटो जो r होची 90 डिवाइड बाय 100 ऑफ r एटा हो हमर रेजिस्टेंस या को हमें इक्वेशन 2 देबा वर्तमान कंडीशन कोन अछि द सेम mass that means same amount of heat is produced so according to question heat 1 h1 is equal to heat 2 okay the heat constant is equal to the heat constant होची त h1 रो वैल्यू में पुट कर दबा कोन अछि v स्क्वायर t1 by r equal to v स्क्वायर t2 by r एटी कोन हे जिवो 100 by 90 हे जिवो तो ये कौन हो v square will cancel r cancel 10 will cancel that is t1 is equal to t2 into 10 by 9 okay 9 t1 is equal to 10 t2 but according to condition the time 1 is equal to 16 minutes first time equal to 16 minutes is also given it takes 16 minutes to take boil some water in an electric kettle so time t1 is equal to 16 minutes now we have to find the t2 so that is t2 is equal to 9 by 10 t1 so that is t2 is equal to 9 by 10 9 into 16 by 10 minute okay now t2 is equal to 144 divided by 10 minute so that is t2 is equal to 14.4 minute okay so your correct answer is option B is correct your correct answer is option B is correct thank you for your watching please like share and subscribe thank you